How to allow sharing your posts and reels when you mention them in your stories on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to enable post and reels sharing to stories on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. This feature can help boost your content visibility and allow your audience to share your post with your own followers, a great way to grow on Instagram. So start by opening Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap menu icon at top right corner of your screen. And now you need to scroll down and look for the option of sharing and reuse. On this page, you need to look for the option of allow people to share your content and then toggle on the button for post and reels to stories. With that, you will successfully allow stories sharing or post and reel sharing when you mention them in your stories on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment.